Welcome to Student Planning, Finding a Course. You can search for courses in two ways, by using the My Progress page or by using the course catalog. On the My Progress page, you can plan and search for courses by clicking either the Search button in each section or by clicking individual course numbers. This will bring you to the course catalog and will display either the specific course you selected or the courses that fulfill the requirement you selected. The course catalog displays all courses as well as any sections that are offered. It is important to remember that while you can plan courses over multiple terms and years, the sections for the course, which are the date and time the course will be offered, are usually only available for the current and immediately upcoming terms. Planning a course does not guarantee the course will be offered in the term you planned. You can search the course catalog by entering a specific course number, entering words that are in either the course title or description, or for courses by subject. Clicking on a subject will display all courses and sections for that subject. You can further narrow your search by using the filters on the left-hand side. This includes filtering for sections based on terms such as fall or winter, the days of the week and time of day a section is offered, instructor, course level, and course type, such as courses that fulfill the science or humanities requirement, and online or in-class sections. Course name, credit hours, course description, requisite courses, and when the course is typically offered will be displayed for each course. To add a course to your plan, click the Add Course to Plan button beside the course name. In the window that appears, select the term you would like to add the course to, and then click Add Course to Plan. You can review how the courses you added to your plan apply to your program requirements by selecting My Progress. You can move courses from one term to another in the Plan and Schedule Timeline section by clicking on the course name and selecting a different term. Click the Update Course button to move the course. You can also delete a course from your plan by clicking the X beside the course. Thank you for watching Student Planning, Finding a Course. Please check out our other videos.